Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I will show you how you can fix if you are getting the message imported display message unable to verify this iPhone has a genuine Apple display. So this message normally appears when your Apple display is not original and Apple does not support your display. So in this video, I will show you how you can disappear this type of notification if you are getting this type of message on your iPhone device, important display message, unable to verify this iPhone has a genuine Apple display. So how you can disappear this type of notification? Now we will have to close this tab. After that, here you will have to tap on setting of your iPhone device. Then from here, scroll it below, tap on general, and then from here you will have to tap on software update, and after that here you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest version. Then after updating your iPhone device to the latest version, after that you will have to restart your iPhone device by tapping on the volume up button, then volume down, and after that here you will need to press the power button until the Apple logo appears. So now let's get started. You will have to just simply press the volume up button, then volume down, then you will have to press the power button until the Apple logo appears on the iPhone device. So here you will have to hold your thumb until the Apple logo appears on your iPhone device. Now you will have to release your thumb. Now you will have to restart your iPhone device. You will have to wait for that. After that, here you will need to unlock your iPhone device. Then after that, here you will need to open setting of your iPhone device. Then scroll it below, tap on general. Then after that, here tap on about. And here you can see that message has been disappeared. So here in this way you can fix this problem if you are getting the imported display message on your iPhone device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.